very warm welcome. I'm just about to record for you a very short summary of our RUmba Improvers Solo Routine number 6, and this was taught in the online class on the 23rd of January 23. So if you want to see the full class, head over to the video library and look for 23rd of January 23. So we started with 4 basics, forwards and back, 4 New Yorkers, 2 spot turns and 4 hand-to-hands. Now that was just to get us warmed up and into the RUmba music, and obviously they are beginner steps that we have done hundreds of times, so I'm not going to break those down, I'll just add them in at the end. Now, the actual content for today that was new, I took half a basic preparation, 2, 3, 4. I did 1 bar, let's come back a little bit, 1 bar of the reverse top on the ladies' footwork. Cross, open, cross. I then stepped out on my right, spiraled on my left, walk out on my left, walk out on my right, and pivot. Okay? Now the timing on that was a little bit different. We've been working most recently on doing different timings for things rather than standard timings. So 2, 3, 4, 1. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, spiral on 3, that's different, head out 4 and 1, which means that when you come to the rocks, which we're about to do, rock, 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 you have to go into them quickly, 2, 3, 4, and I'm going to collect on 1, and I'm facing the back of the room. Yes, I know that's a little bit difficult on the camera, okay, but it was just a little collection, pivoting on the left foot, collecting the right. 2 large swivel steps, through and swivel, through and swivel. Take a whole bar for each one. 12 walks around the room, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, until we got back to our starting position. And then I just did the fencing line on one side and then the other side, so essentially doing the man's and then the ladies' steps, fencing line on both sides. Okay, let's look at that whole section again with the count. 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, and 2, 3, 4, 1. Like I said, in the full class, we added on 4 basics, 4 New Yorkers, 2 spot turns and 4 hand-to-hands at the beginning of the new routine, just to get ourselves into the music. So I do highly recommend that you practice with those additional steps at the beginning. If that's gone too fast for you, don't forget that was just a very short summary recap, because we spent 30 minutes in the class breaking that down from beginning to end. So keep practicing, and I will see you again in another video shortly.